Welcome to my class on Vedic maths. In today's class, we are going to learn squaring any three-digit number between 100 and 999 super fast within a matter of few seconds. So I will discuss various examples and then concept will be clear. So let us take a look at the examples. Here is the first example, 204 square. We have to find the square of 204 within few seconds. So what I am going to suggest you think this as one digit and this two digit as another digit and consider it as A and this as B. You are familiar with this formula, A plus B whole square is A square plus twice AB plus B square. We will be making use of that formula. So as we have considered this 2 as A, so this will be A square. I have written here A square, that is 4, 2 square, that is 4, and in the last I have written 04 square, that is 60, and in the middle you will write 2 times 4, that is A times B times 2. So 2 times 4 times 2 gives you 60. This is how you have to write them. Now you have to be careful. If we have two digits here in any of these, we don't have to do anything. But if there are three digits, in the next example I will explain where there are three digits, then we will do some addition, something that I will explain. But here your answer is now 41616, as simple. So this is your answer. Write them together and that is your answer. I hope this is clear. Now coming to the next example, that is 311 whole square. Again we will follow the same process. We will consider this as one digit and this as another digit, so A and B, and this will be A square, 2AB and B square. So A square is 9, I have written 9, and B square is 11 square, and 11 square is 121, as you already know. If you don't know the square of any two-digit number, you should go through the video that I have explained, or you can count it quickly also. 11 square is 11 times 11, 1 times 1 is 1, then cross multiply, 1 times 1 is 1 and 1 times 1 is 1 and 1 plus 1 is 2, and finally 1 times 1 is 1. This is the method that I already explained. You can discuss this method, you can check this method in the previous lessons. So you will have to follow this method. I hope that is clear. So 11 square is 121 and 2 times A times B is 11 times 3, that is 33, times 2 is 66. Now the important thing here is that here you can see there are three numbers here. So just note down the last number 1 and 2, last and second last, and this one has to be added to the next number, that is 6. So 1 plus 6 becomes 7, and this 6 will remain as it is, and this 9 will remain as it is. So your answer becomes 96721. I hope my explanation was clear. I'm going to solve few more questions and it will be clear definitely by the end of this video. You can easily calculate the square of a three-digit number. So let us take a look at the next example. Next example is 609 whole square. So again you have to follow the same process. A and B, right here as draw 3 lines. Square of 6 is 36, square of 9 is 81, and in between you have to write 6 times 9 times 2 is 108, and then you have to follow starting from the last digit, write 1, and 108 plus 8, 16, so write 6 and 1 carry, so write 1, and this 1 has to be taken to this 6, so 36 plus 1 is 37. So I hope this is clear. I'm sorry, there was slight mistake in the previous explanation. What you have to do now is that since there are only 2 digits, you don't have to change it. You write 1 and next digit is 8. Because there are 2 digits, you don't make any change here. Again here also you have to write 8 and 0, and this 1 has to be added to this number 6, so that becomes 7 and 3. As told earlier, we don't have to make any changes when you get just 2 digits. Whenever you get 3 digits, you have to add it to the next set of numbers. So your answer is now 370881. 370881, and that is your answer. In the next example, we have to follow the same rule. I am writing. This is A and this is B. So A square is 16, 4 square is 16, and 21 square is 441, and in between you have 4 and 21. 84 times 2 is 168. Now applying balancing rule, you have 3 digits here, so 4 1 you will write as it is, and this 4 is to be added to 8. So 8 4 12, 168 and 4 172. You write 2 and 7 from 172, and that 1 again goes to 16. So 16 plus 1 is 17, and that is your answer, 177241. It's easy to understand. I hope you are not facing any problem. In case you are facing any difficulty in understanding, you just let me know in the comment section. Here is the next question, 312 square. So we have to follow the same rule, and I will do them a bit faster now because I have explained you the step. So 3 square is 9, 12 square is 144, and here you will write 12 times 3, 36, times 2, 72. Now here you have got 3 digits, so write just 44, add this 1 to 2, so you get 3 and 7. You don't have to add 7 to this number because these are just 2 digits. And finally the number left is 9, so your answer is 973. In the question number 6, you have again 2 digits. You can consider them as A and B, 15 as B, 6 as A. So 6 square is 36, 15 square is 225, and in between 15 times 6, 90 times 2, 180. And after that the process is simple. Whenever you have 3 digits, you have to add the extra digit to the next set of numbers. So 5, 2, this 2 to be added to 0, so it is 2, 8 will remain as it is, and this 1 to be added to 6, so that becomes 7, and 3 as it is, and here is your answer. Did you notice I took hardly 5 seconds to answer this question? So all you need is a little bit of practice to answer such questions faster. Let us come to the next question, 709. So in order to answer this question, this is 49, this is 81, and 7 times 9 is 63, times 2 is 126. So your answer is going to be 1, 8, 6, 2, and 1 and 9 is 10, and 1. So it is 50. 49 plus 1, this 1 is to be added. So 49 plus 1 becomes 50, and your answer is 502681. Next set of numbers, next example is 812, and you have to find the square root of 812. So 12 is 144 here, and 64 here, and 12 times 8, 96. 96 times 2 will give you 192. So now write 4, add 2 to this, add 1 to this 2, so that becomes 3. Again write 9, and again add this 1 to this 4, that gives you 5 and 6, and that's done, and that's your answer. So could you notice how much time did I take? I hope it is all clear so far, and I am leaving this question for you to try and write the answer in the comment section. Question 9. Friends, I hope my explanations were clear, but I would like to tell you, in case you have any difficulty, you can mention those problems in comment section and I will solve them for you. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.